Hi everyone, today we will solve an exponential equation 9 power x divided by 12 is equal to 21. Find the value of x. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 9 power x over 12 is equal to 21. By cross multiplication, 9 power x equals 12 into 21. Now 9 power x equals 12 can be written as 3 into 4 and 27 can be written as 3 into 7. Okay, let's move to the next step. 9 power x equals 3 into 3 is 9 into 4 into 7. Divide 9 on both sides of the equation. Nine cancel with 9. This is 9 power 1. We know that a power n over b power over a power m can be written as a power n minus m. Our a is 9, n is x and m is 1. So the equation becomes 9 power x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 7. Taking the logarithm on both sides of the equation, log of 9 power x minus 1 is equal to log of 4 into 7. Now we will use two log formula here, one for the left hand side and one for the right hand side. For the left hand side, log of m power n is equal to m times log of m, and for the right hand side, log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we will use both of these formulas on the above equation. Therefore, it will be x minus 1 times log of 9 is equal to log of 4 plus log of 7. This is the extra term which is multiplying with x minus 1. So we have to divide log of 9 on both sides of the equation. That is x minus 1 log of 9 divided by log of 9 is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 9 plus log of 7 divided by log of 9. Log 9 cancel with log 9. Equation is x minus 1 is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 9 plus log of 7 divided by log of 9. X minus 1 is equal to log of 4 can be written as 2 square divided by log of 9 can be written as 3 square plus log of 7 divided by log of 3 square, which is 9. Now we will use power rule. So the equation now becomes x minus 1 is equal to 2 times log of 2 divided by 2 times log of 3 plus log of 7 divided by 2 times log of 3. 2 cancel with 2. X minus 1 is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 7 divided by log of 3. Add 1 on both sides of the equation. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So equation now becomes x equals 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 7 divided by log of 3. Now we will use a formula for these two terms. Log of m divided by log of n is equal to log of m with the base n. So the final equation of x becomes 1 plus log of 2 the base 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 7 the base 3. This is the final value of x. Now we will verify this value of x by putting this value back in our given equation, which is 9 power x over 12 equals 21. Now put the value of x here. 9 power 1 plus log of 2 with the base 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 7 the base 3 equals 21. We know that a power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So this equation now becomes 9 power 1 times 9 power log of 2 with the base 3 times 9 power 1 by 2 log of 7 with the base 3 equals 21. 9 power 1 is 9. This is can be written as 3 square log of 2 with the base 3 times square root of 9 log of 7 with the base 3 21. 9 times this coefficient will become the power, so it will be 3 power log of 2 square is 4, the base 3 square root of 9 is 3 log of 7 with the base 3 was 21. Now we will use a formula for this and this. A power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So equation now become 9 times 1 by 12 here 1 by 12 here. One by 12, one by 12, this is 9. What is B? 4. What is B here? 7 divided by 12 equals 21. 4 1 4 3 3 1 3 3. 3 into 7 is 21 is equal to 21. Mean left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation, and our value of x equal 1 plus log 2 with the base 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 7 with the base 3 is correct. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.